Okay, I put this Predator 301 on this go-kart, and after it's sat for a while, the carburetor needs to be cleaned. So you'll take off the breather tube, which goes through the cover. Just unhook that. You'll have to squeeze back that hose clamp. So you take that cover off there. It just snaps on. 10 millimeter bolt inside that cover. You can also take off the, what's it called, the filter there. You don't have to, but you can take it off. Then you got two more 10s, all 10 millimeters, three of them. You got a hose right there, going to your valve cover. And our couple of hoses. Now this is our fuel line. This here yellow pair of clamps is a tool that can be used to hold the fuel line. You could use vice grips, kind of crushes the hose a little bit, but find a place to clip this on there. You'll pull that back, your hose clamp, and then you should be able to remove that hose without gas going everywhere. Okay, so now we're gonna have that hose clamped, and we're going to turn the throttle lever until it lines up like that so that we can remove our throttle linkage. So now that we got our linkage undone there and we got our hose clamped, we can then release our hose clamp and get rid of the old fuel that's in there. Alright, so you're going to get yourself laid out with your cleaning, carburetor cleaning stuff for your starting fluid. You're going to take off that one 10 millimeter bolt that's holding on your bowl. I clean everything as I go, then flip it upside down. Since it's a power sport type thing, everything is covered in mud. You want to clean the exterior of the carburetor, making sure that you turn it in a way that the stuff isn't going inside of it. You'll open up your valve right there, the on-off valve, open it to on, dump all that. Okay, so now once you get underneath here, this is your float bowl of the Predator 301, and it would be the same for others. So we're going to start by taking out our hinge pin, set that down somewhere safe, and then you're going to see in there is your needle valve, which closes the gas on and off going into that hole. So I always take this, try to keep it together. It'll be a pain to put it back together, but there's your needle. It fits right into the thing on the float in your hinge. So you're going to set that there. The next part of cleaning a carburetor is you're going to get a very skinny flathead screwdriver and you're going to stick it into this center hole, twist this jet out, and you're going to clean all inside that hole. You're going to clean that jet. You may use needles. You're going to blow out the entrance for the fuel. And that's how you clean one of these carburetors. Physically clean it, and then you're going to want to clean all the jet holes and stuff like that. In the front here, it looks like there's another hole. You'll clean that out. Put everything back together, and you should be good to go. You know, just make sure everything's clean.